Associated British Foods is a global business with operations in over 50 countries, from food and ingredients to agriculture and retail. Our purpose is to provide safe, nutritious, affordable food that is great value for money. And our operations and manufacturing teams are vital to efficiently delivering goods and services around the world.
I think what I really enjoy about operations is that you've seen a label go on, you've seen the process of how that's made. It's nice to actually really be able to see the output of what I maybe see on an industrial scale day to day, but it becomes a real thing in people's hands.
Actually, in production you have this even a surprise almost every day or every week. That's what production gives you. It gives you this thrill, and when you succeed it's actually a team effort, and you feel that emotion and that kind of I'm the champion of the world kind of a thing.
All the skills that we're learning at the moment, I know that they're going to be valuable as I go along. There's so many other skills, not just about the technicality of sugar making, but they also do workforce administration, emotional intelligence, how to be with people. It's not just about me as a professional. It's also something that feeds into me as a person.
I left for maternity leave, and then I actually continued it because my second child came so fast. I found HR and my supervisor very supporting. I do think that the company recognizes that we have our personal lives and we can have flexible working hours.
There's change in the different roles that I've had in the business over the 12 years, but also in what I do every day is always different and always moving, and that's what keeps me engaged.
The main opportunities I had were related to moving around countries, and that's something that nobody can take from you. You know, you're learning another culture. I like that. I like to meet different people. I like to adapt myself to different cultures.
To be responsible and accountable for a full site build, it was exciting. Just to stand there looking out once it was up and running, it was just a fantastic sense of achievement.
I've been exposed to other companies within the ABF umbrella. The company really does support innovation, a new way of looking at employee safety and wellness engagement.
ABF has loads to offer.
This company gives a very good learning journeys in every department.
People can really expect leadership, growth and development.
I have a great boss, I have a great team.
And I just went, this is what I want to do.